Right, we're gonna go support Daddy on his 100-mile bike ride. Gotta wake up extra early. Woke these peeps up extra early.
Yeah.
So it's like 5:30, I think. 5:26.
Guys,
One at a time.
Guys, just so you know, we got new shelves in our apartment, and now someone else to talk. I want to know something. Red, white, and blue, like the American flag do. I made this for Daddy's support too.
What's it say?
It says "Go Daddy."
All right.
Oh yeah!
Go Daddy. There he is now. The 100-mile biker. We love you.
We love you! What? Huh? What? What do you think? Oh, what do you think? I said I think you're the funniest woman in our family. No, Mom. I'm sure of it. No, I think
Right, yeah, they're really into it. It's almost, I'm serious. No, I literally do it. I will do it every morning, and Ashley will just, she's lived with me for 2.5 weeks now. And she'll just like watch.
I think I'm good. Thank you. Yeah. All right, here we are.
Oh yeah, baby.
A lot of bikes, a lot of people.
Yeah.
Right here at the starting line. Getting ready to bike for our heroes. 100 miles. I don't think I'm gonna need it.
Right here and see what we can do. Hey, let's get a group before picture.
Alright, everyone getting ready to
Okay.
like do 100 bike ride.
Stop talking for a minute.
Look at how that's Angie's
Angela.
house.
No, it's not Angela.
By the dawn's early light, what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Oh, the sport, how the
different size chains. Yeah. Well, if you look on my bike,
Just kidding. We're gonna be great. Gideon.
I love you guys.
Hey, you got this. You got this, Daddy.
Leave them alone. Yeah.
27.
Daddy, you got this. You got this so much. I didn't hear this. I hear this, Dad. Daddy, you got this.
I love you. Yep, it's gonna be a great ride. You're amazing. Okay. Okay, he's not listening no more. So just watch him.
Mel, you ready?
Peace, love, safety. You got this! Woo! We love you! Okay, all right, guys. We love you, First Form!
Yeah!
You can move a little bit, it's a video now.
Now, that picture.
Oh yeah, you can dip down like Gideon is for a second, Ange. Oh yeah, look at me. Look at me. Angie, stop. Stop. Angela, stop for a picture. Good job. All right. Alright, so part of my training program in the First Form app today would be considered my active recovery day, which includes like 30 to 45 minutes of cardio, which I do every single day for walking. But anyway, on these days, I usually just do a regular workout, or I do 2 walks, which in this case, I'm probably going to just be doing 2 walks today. Dakota and I did one this morning, like at 3 o'clock in the morning. You guys saw that. And then it's cool because at the bike place, there's this gravel road that I'm taking advantage of and doing my second 45-minute walk on. Right now, I'm pacing in a circle because the kids want to play on the rocks. So I'm letting the kids play on the rocks while I'm doing my walk, which includes like, I don't know, what, 50 feet right now. After they're done playing on the rocks, I'm going to be going onward. Anyway, get outside, get your movement in. Let's go. Ooh, nice. Nice Jump, little cheese biscuit. Finding dirt there, boo. Go and bury that golf ball, dude. That's cool. Treasure found. Hashtag treasure found, right?
Yeah.
What do you got to say about that? Tell us to the camera. So cool?
So cool.
Like you drew?
That you do.
Oh, yeah. Oh my
And
God.
also, like the American flag too.
All right, I'm about halfway through. Looks like 40 miles. So not quite halfway. Not quite halfway. Dropped my phone a little bit ago. Had to turn around and get it. Anyway, about to get a sandwich now. Fuel up a little bit and get back on the road. Hopefully pretty quick here. And I just accidentally ended my workout, so I'm gonna have to start a new one. Oops. Oh well. All right, all fueled up. Me and Daniel are gonna hit the road again. Here we go. We got 60 more miles left. Let's
We
crush this
gifted
thing.
some electrolytes. Whoop, whoop.
Yeah,
Got
her
fruit punch.
experience super good.
She got some McFury. You got some fruit punch. Thank you. Awesome. I'm gonna go snag a 1P Energy. They're handing out beer, but you know, sober for life. Also, snack table.
All right, back here at the food stand. We went about 15 miles past the 100-mile turn, so we went the wrong way. So we turned around, came back. Now we're another 30 miles in, so we're about 70, 75 miles total so far. We're just gonna turn around and start heading that way again. Live and you learn. I love you guys. Getting back on the road. Got another 40 miles to go. I love you, Grace. I love you, Angie. I love you, Gideon. I love you, babe. This is hard. Almost there. We missed a turn a while back, so we turned around and came back, which kind of sucked. I mean, it really sucked, but getting back on the road now. So I love you.
Angie, Tiger's Blood. Yeah, blue raspberry, yep. My coconut.
Is it good? Can I get a spoon?
I already have one for you.
I'll try to square.
Remember, we're not really hitting.
That's hard work, but it's very meaningful for the family that needs it. Yeah, I love it. So I ended up going on Facebook after I left my job as the director. What does he make for a sound? Like
You can hear them.
Do you hear it? That.
Bram, 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 bram. No, he's not doing it. Them and the trees are.
Don't.
Oh my gosh. Sorry, you're freaking me out. Here, wait. Stop. I want to.
Final stretch, guys. We're in the final 20. Shit's tough. Quite literally a pain in the ass. Hey, I love you. I love you guys. Watch died, so probably just be ready. I would bet it's still gonna be like a good 45 minutes I love you guys.
Maybe. Yeah, it's not Dakota. Who is that? I think it's one of our shirts, though.
Now that's my fanny pack.
Who is? Who is that? Woo! Yeah! Oh, that's the UPS guy. I think it's Dad, maybe. Let's see, we got first form shirts. Come on. Woo! Sure that Katie cried. So
That is so funny.
I want to show you the things I found.
they got you drinks.
I want to show you.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the stack here. They made them up for you guys. So I'm pretty sure.
All right, I got it done. 100-mile bike ride. I think I actually went like a total of 110, 112. Because we had that turnaround in the middle. Anyway, that is hard. That's hard. Whew. Just slammed some post-workout. Shanea's got an energy drink set aside for me.
The pink one.
Yeah. The kids are gonna show me what they did while I was gone. Oh. Lesson number 1 is follow directions. Lesson number 2 is it's not about how fast you get there, as long as you get there.
And then get back, and then come back.
Yep. Woo.
No.
So, just got done riding 112, 110 miles. You guys want me to climb this rock? What is the deal?
No mercy. If you're not big enough, you can use those 2 as
Whoa.
go around here.
Woo! Woohoo! That's right. Oh, nice catch.
Done.
No, don't take it out. Don't take it out.
It's a orange.
Okay, you can take it out now. Is that gross?
Nope.
Well,